Are there leaders in your business that you're hoping to provide development opportunities for, but you're not sure where to send them or point them? Are you a leader looking for ongoing growth experiences and opportunities? Well, then let me introduce you to HRD's Public Leadership Growth Workshops. We recognize that a lot of leaders and organizations have the challenge of not knowing where to go to get the kind of support in a leadership development growth experience. And so we are bringing those to life publicly. We offer 2 90-minute virtual workshops each month on the same topic so that you can choose the date and time that works best for you. Topics like leading change and leading through imposter and being an agile leader in your business, leading through conflict, having hard conversations, giving feedback, coaching, all of the really important leadership competencies for leaders today, leading in a remote environment, leading through challenge. I mean, that's the thing that all leaders have in common is we've all got stuff. So this gives leaders a safe space to show up and to share and to process and to connect with leaders in other organizations and learn from them. So if you're interested in learning more, check out our public leadership growth workshops at hrdleadership.com. We'll see you there.